Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. This is number 1532, the most recent 3 orders. Basically, for each customer, each user, customer, we want to return the 3 most recent orders meaning by order date, and then we want to sort it after we get those 3 orders. It's going to have a customer ID, order ID, and an order date. Then we're going to sort by the customer name, and then customer ID, and then order date in descending order. Okay, cool. So let's first map the customer ID to the name to make it easier to fetch, because we're going to need that here in the result. So let's call this name. Customers, customer ID. So name of C, the ID maps to the name itself. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get, for each customer ID, let's get all the other pieces of information. So let's make a dictionary, a default dictive type list, and let's loop through the orders table. Customer ID. And D of the customer ID, we're going to append the customer ID. So O, I know it looks a bit weird, but we're actually going to get the name and then the customer ID. So the customer ID and then the order ID. So orders, order ID of I. And then also the order date. Okay, so orders, order date of I. And then we're just going to sort this by the date. Because we want this at the front, we're just going to get the front, or yeah. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can see we can't do that. So the workaround for I found is just to say reverse equals to true, does the same thing. Cool. So now let's go over the dictionary and let's get the 3 orders if they exist. Let's print K and now. Okay, so something looks wrong here. For each customer ID. Oh, so let's print, yeah, let's print that, and then, so, yeah, the order ID. Oh, it's going to be orders of order ID of customer ID of I. Huh, that's weird. Let's see. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Orders customer ID. Yep. For the customer ID, we're going to append the customer ID, and then the order ID, and then the order date. Yeah, I don't see a problem with this. I don't know why this is messed up. Let's try this. Let's print orders customer ID. Yeah, that looks fine to me. So the customer ID dot append orders order date of I. Let's print K and DK. Okay, cool. So I think I found the problem. We want the first 3. Let's call this now. So it has nothing to do with the sorting. Bring this back. Awesome. So there we go. Cool. So now we can just go ahead and get the first, well, we already have the first 3. So basically we're just going to get an answer list, and for N and now, we're just going to append to answer the name, which is name of K, And then we're just going to get the, so these are the same, right? And then we're going to get the actual n of 0, n of 1, n of 2. So we already had these in order, so they're fine. We just sorted it to rearrange them, rearrange the ordering of the lists, not the actual values in them. So cool. So now let's print answer. Okay, so now last but not least, we have to sort it. So customer name, which is just going to be x of 0, and then the customer ID in ascending order, and then order date in descending order. So the order date is already in descending order because that's what we did here, so we don't need to worry about that. Cool. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. We basically have our answer. Just gather the results. So A0, A1, A2, A3. Make a data frame. Customer name is equal to 1. Customer ID to 2. I'm sure there's a more efficient way to do this for you Panda experts out there, but this is my way of doing it. So let's run this and submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.